Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'll just do a quick haul before I head out. So I purchased some items in Zara, B&M and Primark, and I also have Zara from the shop itself because I went there to grab this, but I saw some sale there also, so I just also get it. So this one is sale, so everything Zara is sale most of the time. Just rarely I buy full price in Zara. So let me show you these items first, or let me fix my camera. Okay, like that. So the first one is this dress, or how you call it. This is 30 pound. Look at, but I only purchased it for 20 pound. So 30 pound, 20 pound, like that. It's for winter actually, but I just purchased it now because I know I will need it for winter next year, or this year. I mean this year. Yeah, this year, winter. So yeah, it's very good. I feel it's good quality. And then next is blazer. So I love white. So when I saw this, and it's just 33 pound guys. So I said, okay, I need it. It's 32.99 actually. It's 60 pound and 32.90. 32. Oh yeah, 33 pound. Like that. Look at. It's really nice. Yeah. Let's show you. It's really nice, but yes, just because of the sale, and I will like white, and I have a nice blazer here, but it's red, so white is nice for me. And then this is the one I purchased in Zara. It's not so much, but let me just show you guys. They have still sell right now, but it's not so much anymore. So I think I will not have any Zara haul for a long time, because I'm always like that. I'm just waiting for the sale. I love shopping in Zara, but I don't pay normally for the full price. I'll just wait like during sale time, like February, like that. And when is the next sale? Forgot, but I just wait for the sale. So this is what I purchased online. Oh, first is this trouser guys. You know, I have white color of this and I always wear it. So when I saw they have a sale for it's not pink, blush pink, so I decided to buy it because anyway I'm wearing it all the time. And this is sale also, so it's 28 pound and I purchased it for 20 pound. So 8 pound, not that bad, you know, like that. And it's for 5 feet. It's really okay. I'm just 5 feet, so, and the color is good for summer. Yeah, I don't have actually like this, so it's interesting. Hopefully I will wear it as much as I wear the white. But of course the sale guys, I'm really tempted when there's a sale. If there's no sale, I think I will not buy this color because I have already white. Next is the same the same style. How they call it, there's no here, but this is the same 27 pound, and I purchased it 19.99 actually, but 20 pound, like that. The belt is included already. And like this, let me see the belt. Yeah, the belt is the same. Yeah, the same belt actually, but I think it's more nicer than my old one, or the belt that I got last time, or I didn't wear it. Okay, so like that guys, it's, I don't know, I should keep both of this. Yeah, it's nice because anyway I wear because I have many Zara trouser that I'm going to let go because I feel like it's not good for me. And next is this sweater. Okay, a bit big for me. Oh my god, so big. It's big or not? It's actually size small. And it's 30 pound, but I think I purchased it 19 pound. But I guess I will return it. Just look, it's so big for me. or it's okay. Let me check later on when I wear it, but I feel like it's too big, I guess. So yeah, let's look for Zara, all sell, and then for Primark, and I have also B&M and Timo. So first is very interesting, guys. Can you guess how much I purchased it? The original price of this is £9. Of course, it's not Christmas anymore, but I cannot resist. It's 50 pence. Look, it's from £9. And I don't have pets, but I'll give it to friend, or during my son's Christmas bazaar, you can donate items. So I think I will donate it. I think it will be cute to give to the other parent who have pet, you know. So yeah, I purchased 50 pence, guys. Oh my god. And because it's 50 pence, I purchased this one also. Where's the price? This is £10. Oh my god, this is £10. And I purchased it 50 pence. Where's the 50 pence? Why it's gone now? Yeah, it's just 50 pence, guys, but it's £10. So, oh my god, it's really nice. Oh, it's so nice. 50 pence from £10. So how much I save? Next is, why the price is gone with these things? So this one, it's original price. Oh, I cannot see also, but I purchased it for 50 pence. You know, it's so exciting. I become so excited when I can buy sell. Next is this spider shoes. Actually, my son likes these shoes. Yeah, we purchased last time size 12, and this one is size 13. And that time I purchased it full price because he really liked this spider shoes. And this time from £10, it's just half price, £5. I mean £5. And they still have many sell shoes, slipper like that. Normally I want to buy Adidas or Nike for my son, but from time to time he likes his own like this. So yeah, because for I feel like for Nike and Adidas it's like long lasting. I feel like that. That's why if I'm going to spend £10 full price, yeah, and then for Nike I can just buy like £30, but I know it will be for long term. So that's why I'm buying Nike or Adidas. And next is jumper, sweater, how you call it? So another thing, but actually this one is bulky also, so I think that one is okay. So this one is sell as usual. So this is £16 and £7. I bought it. I just like the style. That's why I'm buying it. What do you think? Oh my god, why this? This is actually from Primark, but it's like a bit different. This is from H&M. I have this last year. Not sell. I didn't purchase it sell because this kind of the design, it's not always sell. Yeah, I like the blue one. Sometimes they have sell, but a bit faded blue, and I don't like it. I like this one. Next is this trouser. I'm changing my trouser because I feel like the old one is like, it's not my, you know, it's not good anymore for me. This is £14 from, oh, okay, this is full price. Oh, why I bought it? It's, yeah, it's not sell. £14. Yeah. I don't know why I bought it. Maybe because I have a clothes that is matched to this. Yeah, that's why. I have a vest. So maybe that's the reason why. And next is for my son, 7 to 8. And this is £9. This is full price. So they don't have sale for their pants. That's why. So I need to buy all the time like full price. But my son like army. That's why I purchased it. And he asked me if I did. It's a bit big for him still, but yeah, I think it's a bit big, or maybe not. Let's see. I need to wash it first so my son can check it. And then another t-shirt, just £8. This is also not sell, but the reason I purchased it, it's because I have some vests, you know. That's why, like, I have black vests and blue vest set already. So this one, so that's why I need the white one. But actually I have many whites already, but not just like this. This one is a little slimmer. The white I have are like, they are like little like this, you know, like more space. So yeah, let's see. So that's it. Oh no, there's one sale. This is $3.50 and £2. £2. Just like it. Oh, by the way, this is from Timo. This is £18, guys. So this one, football, because I want to have a football team for my son. I need to buy more. I just want to see the quality first before I purchase many. So far, I think it's okay. Yeah, let me check it. Everything later. And this is for the table cover. Football. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if it's enough, but hopefully it's enough. And then hot. Okay, I think how many is this? It's just like 6 pieces. I think I need more to order more. So far, I think it's okay, but not sure. And B&M. So in B&M, guys, this is so cheap. Look at this is 10 pence. Wait, which one is 10 pence? I get confused, but it's like 10 pence or 15 pence, like that. So look at, from 2.50 and £2. So just 10 pence. So of course, and this one I think is, oh, I have also Tiki Maxx, because I purchased also in Tiki Maxx pans, stainless steel, because right now I feel like I don't want to buy any more pans that are like, you know, like coated. I like just stainless steel. So this is also like 50 pence. 50 pence from £4. This is 10 pence, 10 pence, or 15 pence. 150. I need a clip. Then this one, 250. And pencil. I just don't know. I need pencil. And this is sale actually from 3.50. I feel like I bought it £2. Yeah, looks nice. Yeah, I like to write. And lighter. I don't smoke, but this is like for what do you call this one? Barbecue, picnic, something, camping. I have here, but I need also the refill something. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have to go actually, because I need to go to Home Bargains and Lidl to buy coffee beans and compost, because I have many plants in the garden. So yeah, thank you so much. Until next time, bye.